We're a hybrid platform. This means consumer can look for nearby vendor or he can book a service. We cater to larger audience. People can book service or just find and call a nearby vendor.
I got better livelihood. I got skills. I am on digital platform. You can see my ID here. Check my experience. And our prices. Also find my certifications.
You can also book a service, sitting at office or home. Just fill date, time, address and photograph of problem. Do remember to check the price. Cancel or reschedule your booking easily. Save all your appliance bills and warranty cards on the app. Now you can never lose them. Get service reminders and much more. This is Aroundhomz. We make your life simple.